Good morning, good morning. It is log day. If you have been following along, we've been doing a lot of farming. Well, I have with Joe, but we also have a sawmill to feed. And the sawmill is the fun part and also the easiest part. Acquiring logs, quite honestly, is the hard part. Meaning going and getting them, hauling them, if you cut them down and drag them to your mill. Nobody wants to watch that part. It's the milling that everybody wants to watch. So if you don't want to see a bunch of guys with a mini excavator moving logs and hauling logs, like, don't watch this episode, because that's what it's going to be. We have this old trailer, Gertrude, and Dino's bringing his gooseneck. So I don't know how many logs we're going to end up with, but there was a big windstorm in this area, and we're going to pick up these logs at a local park, which is part of the Shenango reservoir. So they have more logs than I can possibly deal with. So we're helping them out. And yeah, we're pulling some logs out. So we rented a Cat 306 and we've got a couple days. Sounds like we'll be done in one. So the pile will look bigger. Let's go load some logs. These bugs are awful. Trying. There's the campground. Over there's the peak where all the peninsula where all the pine blew over. Pretty day. This is Army Corps of Engineer property. A lot of people don't know this, but they dispose of wood. You just need to get a pass. So if you need firewood or something like that, I think they have like a day pass or a window, so you're not just walking out with things. But I think it was this way. And a lake. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna try backing this down. That's Adam's plan, is back this trailer in and then we'll start loading it.
So we lost the bead on this. So what Adam's gonna do is gonna put a ratchet strap around it. It's like a special design, huh? Yeah. So fancy you can't use it.
Contained. Like it.
Do the double locker. You know what those are good for? Not being able to get them off once they're tight. Yeah. So he's gonna squeeze the center of that tire down. It should mushroom around the bead. Get that out of your way. What is that thing? Is that enough? Oh yeah. She's starting?
Yeah.
I don't know what these tires hold.
No, that's a 30, so. Yeah, I'm right here. I'm going to be wearing the radio.
Look on the bright side, Adam. You will not feel it.
Nope. That's 70. Are we going to the full 85?
Well,
this one says 85. Max load of 2540.
I'm good with it. I'm good with it. They probably all need air in them.
We're only at like 35.
Yeah, that sucks. What are you gonna do? Go mope in your shop about
I don't mope.
freaking Nate taking your whole day?
No, I'm going to go get my car and I'm going to grab my fishing pole and I'm going to go down there and fish until y'all get back.
That's a great idea. You know what's gonna be hardest part of this whole thing?
Oh, 15 whole pounds.
Unloading.
Yeah.
We'll have to put the grapple on the Kubota.
Yeah.
That's the way to go. All right, here we go. Load of logs on a trailer, load of logs on Gertrude, and a load of logs on Dino's gooseneck. How about that? So we are caravanning. You got Austin behind me, and then you got Dean behind Austin, and each of us have between 12 and 15 logs. So we'll definitely get about 40 logs a trip. So about 80 logs. I'm gonna have $500 in the excavator. I'm gonna have $150 in the excavator's fuel and delivery, and then I gotta take care of Dino, so that'll be, you know, a couple $100 at least. So yeah, I'll have, when it's all said and done, $1,000 in it. $1,000 in 80 logs. So not an inexpensive venture, plus the time. So if you can get people to deliver logs, in a log truck, I'm hoping to do that with Brobst. I'd rather just have them drop off, you know, a triaxle loads of pine, and I know all of it won't be useful, but if it's free, it's definitely worth it. So we got Dino offloaded. I'm offloaded. Gertrude is offloaded. And we are headed back to get another load apiece. I made a wrong turn talking to Matt Everett. It's bumpy back here, Dean. He always speeds up before speed bumps too. You ever notice that? Makes me feel like summer, Dean. I feel like we're baling hay. That's what it feels like. All right, this is the last trip. And we got 3 on there. You can see about 4 and 1 monster. Show you what Dino's got loaded up. Yeah, if you've never been to the Shenango campground here, it's beautiful. I mean, these spots probably are already gone for the summer. But let me show you what Dean's got loaded up. He's got a couple prehistoric dinosaur white pines. So, yep. Right there. He's got 3. And then let's go see Austin's. I'm sure he'll have something to say about it. All you got's little logs on there.
There's a couple on there that ain't that little.
Let me see what you got. Is that as good of a load as you had the first time?
Better.
Sure feels heavier.
It's a heavier load. There's no doubt about it. And I think it's placed better because it's not really pushing on the sides very much.
Gotcha. Hey, you guys did good on those side rails. You could probably,
Pretty happy with it.
yeah.
Add one more support in and then put in the other 2 pieces of white oak.
Yep.
Would be fantastic.
Couple angular pieces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 15, 16.
And just to give you some perspective, this log right here is about the size of Austin's head. That one right there. Just so they have scale. See? Let me see. Yep. See that? It's just about right.
I can't believe it. I count 16, which is exactly what I had on load 1.
Yeah. You definitely got to have something on that, boys. There's nothing holding that strap.
I got another ratchet strap I
Yeah.
can open over with.
You guys did well. I do like these. This is some serious twist in there, buddy. I don't know.
I think that came from... Oh, maybe that's today. Maybe that
I don't think so.
I thought it came from a load out of Brobes.
Oh, really?
But maybe
I think so, too. That may be sharp.
Yeah.
It may be sharp. I would just put something around the top there. Yeah, don't worry about dumping this.
Yeah.
Take it to the plant. If you want to leave your trailer, that's fine, too. Because it's late. That's when mistakes happen. Does not suck. So how many logs did we get today? I guess.
It's got to be close to 90. Nah, probably 80.
Well, yeah. Well, 16. It's 4 plus 3. It's 20. You're about 70.
Yeah.
70, and you got.
Second load is less but bigger.
Yeah. All right.
What do you think? Just hook in like we did before?
I would hook up somewhere at the top.
Well, that was great.
Well, you learned that in all the sports that you played.
What sports?
Exactly.
I played bow hunting.
Yeah.
And I was darn good at it.
I saw you were doing it in the backyard. There you go. I got him. See that? These guys couldn't do this without me. That's a big pine right above you.